Guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the hybrid inverter. So, what's a hybrid inverter? Here is the detailed inverter topologies. So you can see this is a typical DC coupling systems. PV panel will connect the DC-DC to the DC bus bar, and the DC-DC will with the MPPT functions. There are several MPPT channels. Then batteries will connect to another DC-DC circuit to the DC bus bar. Then through DCAC PCS functions to the AC bus bars. So here are three AC ports. This one connect to a grid or big diesel generators. Backup port, it means critical load connections. So you will always have power when on-grid mode or off-grid mode. The third is a smart port. It means you can connect it to the load or the diesel generator or a grid-tied inverters. But normally, we will choose it to connect to diesel generators. So hybrid inverter, I think it will be equal to MPPT functions and PCS functions, and with pre-installed EMS software functions. There are some benefits for hybrid inverters. So first is seamless switchings. The switching time between on-grid mode and off-grid mode will less than 20 milliseconds. So it will ensure when there is a power outage, the load will always have the uninterruptible power supply from the hybrid inverter. Another function that for the smart port, it can connect to a diesel generators when the battery SOC run into the threshold. Then the hybrid inverter will send a start dry contact to start the diesel generator automatically. So it will ensure the normal operation of the critical load. Next benefit is high efficiency. So all the software algorithms are pre-installed in hybrid inverters. So you can choose if the PV energy is more than needed. So it can feed back into the grid or it can store it in the batteries. Also, it can support the arbitrage functions. So you can set when the hybrid inverter charging and when the hybrid inverter discharging according to the electricity price. You can earn the electricity price difference and reducing your energy bills. The third, because the hybrid inverter is a compact solutions, integrated the MPPT, the PCS, and local controller or EMS software functions, so it will very easy for installation and maintenance and also deployment. It's a all-in-one designed combining multiple core components. It will save the installation space and reduce the system footprint. Normally, in a hybrid inverter, there will be a screen, so you can see all the important data on the screens on site. Also, you will configure it with applications in the mobile phones, so you can access all the data no matter you go anywhere. As I mentioned just now, because hybrid inverter, all the softwares are pre-installed in these systems. You just need to choose options is suitable for your applications. That's enough. So you don't need to develop upper EMS functions because all the software functions have already prestated in the systems. You just choose options. That's okay. So for the commissioning time, you will save a larger working time on site. It's very fast for deployment. Hybrid inverter is very popular in residential applications from the beginning, but some application scenarios is CNI solutions and also need a lot of functions, arbitrage or peak shaving or frequency regulation or backup power for seamless switchings. So a lot of residential manufacturers, they designed some hybrid inverters for large powers, for example, 50 kilowatts and up to 125 kilowatts. So this is a bigger hybrid inverter and with multiple functions. This is a very interesting question. So who is a hybrid inverter for? There are several application scenarios. You can choose a hybrid inverter. As you can see, because hybrid inverter has integrated so many hardware and softwares, so if you have a lot of application scenarios, it will very suitable for hybrid inverters because hybrid inverter has already integrated so many functions. So here are some typical application scenarios. Frequent power outage. It means the grid quality is not good. So the hybrid inverter will seamless switching from on-grid mode to off-grid mode with 20 milliseconds to ensure the unexpected blackout and also ensure the normal operation of the critical load, or there is a total off-grid scenarios. Hybrid inverter can provide the backup power from the battery, from the PV, from the battery, and it can connect to diesel generators, can send dry contact signals to automatically start diesel generator as an additional backup power for the critical load. Another advantage is hybrid inverter can minimize the solar savings. Or if there is additional PV power, it can extend it to the grid or it can charge to the batteries. So you can choose the energy flow in the app. Another key functions is time of use. You can set the charging time or discharging time, the power and the cutoff SOCs according to the energy price difference and to earn the energy price difference and reduce the the price when the energy price is very expensive. You can use the PV or the battery powers to supply the critical load. Okay, so this is the hybrid inverters brief introductions. So in the next videos or next several videos, I will give more details regarding the application scenarios, working principles, and how the battery inverters switching from on-grid mode and off-grid mode, and the diesel generators connection ways. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.